Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want us to learn how to use the IFERROR function in Excel. We've been given data from counties for the financial year 2018 and 2019, and we want to calculate the variance on column D. So to calculate the variance, we'll use is equals to the expenditure for the current year minus expenditure for the previous year divided by the previous. So we'll get the percentage there, then we can copy this downwards and convert that to percentage. So we realize that if there were no expenditure in other counties, in some counties in the last financial year, Excel is going to return an error. The error divided by 0 is when you divide a number by 0. So instead of deleting the errors, we need to plug that with a custom text or a dash for counties with errors. So we'll use the IFERROR function. So I'll type is equals to IFERROR, select the IFERROR. Remember, the IFERROR function comes with its own opening bracket, while the red opening bracket is for the variance. Then at the end of the function, I'll put a comma and insert value IFERROR. So I'll put two quotation marks separated by a dash, then close the bracket and press enter. Now I can copy this downwards so that counties with zeros during the last financial year will return dashes. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications on the bell.